Hello everyone. Hope everyone is doing fine, if not great. As all of you know, that our sincere teachers of Boon English School have been in constant effort to reach the finest quality of education even in these dire times. You have been fed with YouTube video links, PDFs, images, and so on of content corresponding to your respective academic curricula. And in their efforts, they make sure they leave no stone unturned to deliver the finest. So, in yet another such effort, we have started a much interactive method, live online virtual meetings via the OSDM portal. And it is very much imperative that all of you understand how to log in with appropriate and legitimate credentials and data to ensure the smooth running of the meetings. So this is a short tutorial to make you understand how it works. This will be a fairly elaborate tutorial explaining you everything that you require to, and let's get started. So you would be getting such links in your WhatsApp groups, class-wise WhatsApp groups, and you just have to click on the meeting IDs, that is the thing highlighted in blue. So after clicking it, a web page will open. Now it is highly recommended that you already have the application installed, the Gisty Meet application installed in your phone, to ensure a better and much more elaborate meeting. If not so, the very least that you can do is to just launch in web. Yeah. So there are three options. I'll go through it once again. Join this meeting using the app. The second is download the app, and third is launch in web. So the least that you can do is to click on launch in web. Yeah. So here is the portal. Here what you are required to do is, if you are using such options, to enter your name as known in the registration diary of the school. Like for example, if your name is Ramesh Tyagi, yes. Second is, you have to switch on your video before entering the meeting. This is for us to recognize you better, and it is recommended that you keep your microphone off unless you have a doubt during the meeting. You will be required to do it so. Yeah. Now the second way, and it is the most required way, is to have the app pre-installed before the meeting. Now since all of you are opting for such online education and online live classes, so it is safe to assume that your network bandwidth is enough. Yeah, it is good enough to facilitate you to download the app. So we download the app, so using the second option. If you don't have the app yet, download the app. So click on the download the app, then install it. Now I know that it may take a lot of time for you people, depending on your network issues, but it is highly recommended, and so you must do it prior your classes, a lot prior your places, 3-4 hours before that, to be safe. So you open it, the apps have been installed, you just click on it, yes, and then you are required to fill up your name. You go to your profile, and then you just write your respective names. Like for example, if your name is Ramesh Tyagi, yeah, and this is not required. Email, if you have, well and good, you can fill it. Otherwise you just hang it on. So the next thing is, you start with audio muted. Just click on it and switch it on. Yeah. So this is the required settings that you have if you have already installed the app with you. Yeah, and then you may just start. Like for example, if you now you have the app in your phone pre-installed, so you go to the respective WhatsApp message, just click on it. Now they will give you an option, open meet.jitsi links with Chrome or Jitsi Meet. Since we already have the app, we'll open it with Jitsi Meet. and voila, you are in the meeting. Yes, and it is very convenient this way. I'll explain it once again. To the right of the hang up button, you have the video option. If you click it once, you can just turn on and switch off the video. And the second is the to the left of the hang up button, you have the mute and unmute option. Clicking it, you can ask your doubt, and after your doubt is over or clarified, you may just unmute yourself, mute yourself. Yeah, and just as it is with any phone call, this red hang up button is to disconnect your meeting. Yes, I hope this must have cleared all of your doubts. If not, you may just write down in the comment section, and your doubts will be clarified soon enough. Yeah, take care.